This is the job web browsing website. Here you can look for jobs around your city or in your town. Here's probably you could put what's the title of the job, and here's the place. I'm just use Hayes, Kansas as a example. Here you can find what type of job. You could be delivery driver for Domino's. Here in Hayes, it pays 12 to 18 dollars an hour. It's a description of it. Here's another one. You can just keep scrolling down until you see something that you like. Let's say I want to be a delivery driver. Here it gives you the description. I can apply by clicking here. And that's just because I thought it'd be really useful. We're trying to find a job, especially since we're not in COVID. We're trying to find things through online. You can keep looking and then you can get more specific as a work from home. And I get really specific. Here you can change. Uh, get more results here. It's really useful for people trying to find a job. I especially like it because here this is where I apply for my first job. And it was really simple and easy. You just go through the process, make an account, uh, post a kind of a resume thing so your employer can see. I find it super simple and it's free and really detailed. I thought my goal was to show you how you can get a job. You can find a job pretty much anywhere. It's not as hard as it used to be.